What's up guys, welcome to another episode. We're going to be camping at Yadboro Flats this weekend, but now we're at a caravan park which is like probably 40 minutes away from it, and we're with Lips, who's always reading.
Yeah, reading again. Yeah, so we haven't made it all the way tonight. It's late Friday night, so we've pulled over at caravan park, but we will be there in the morning, won't we?
Yes. So breakfast at the Heritage Bakery in Milton.
Butler's in the rooftop, relaxing.
Minecraft.
So anybody that knows this campground, Yadboro Flats, will know that it's not very often like this. So this is a weekend and there's nobody here, it's just me and the butler, because the weather's been so rubbish for so long, for at least 2 weeks. So we were just talking to a local and he said that yesterday the water level was right up to that road over there. So this was all underwater only yesterday. So I wasn't surprised that there wasn't many people here. I didn't expect there to be nobody here. So yeah, Yadboro Flats, solo camping it looks like. Probably not, it's only 10 to 11 in the morning, so I do suspect people will turn up later. But yeah, anybody that's ever been here has probably not seen it like this at the weekend. So we do have the go-kart with us this weekend. We won't be driving it here though. We were hoping to have a go this morning on the way in, but there's no real suitable track. So yeah, just a relaxing camp trip this weekend, just cooking some food, just chilling out really. It's just an easy one. Have a few, just don't have loads. Do you reckon it's ready? I can smell something. Oh, looks good.
That's
Do you reckon
ready.
it's done?
Yeah.
Don't know whether. I'll tell you what,
Yeah,
I'll check
ready.
it. Let me just check. I think it is. There's the tea.
Bison.
Looks a bit milky, but it'll be alright once the tea bag starts to work. Just get the tea bag going. Oh, it looks good. Yeah, it's cooked perfectly. Oh, nice. I put a lot of butter in it, so it probably doesn't need much. So still nobody here. If you've never been to Yadboro Flats, do yourselves a favour and come, it's a specky spot. What do you think to Yadboro Flats then, boy?
It's good, but like, yeah.
Do you remember that time when that kookaburra got your steak?
But it was meat. It was literally meatballs.
No, not meat. No, we were feeding them meatballs. It was when you had the steak, you had it on the plate like that, and I just gave you it. You were like that, just about to tuck into it, and then all of a sudden it was just, it's like this thing just fell from the sky. Like it looked like it fell. It didn't like fly down. It went like that, and then it just went off, and you were just like that.
That was meatballs.
No, you're talking about Seal Rocks with the meatballs. I know what you're on about, but I'm talking about, I think it was at Glenwood Valley.
No, I remember it. It dropped down on my plate, but I swear we were eating
No, then it just flew off with your whole bit of steak. It's just like...
Did I even eat the rest?
There's nothing there, it took the whole lot. It's a shame that thing's not working because there's no one here. We could have just been, even though we're not allowed to drive it around here,
Yeah.
and I wouldn't do ordinarily, but with no one here, like we're not hurting anything. If you just, as long as you stick to the actual main tracks, that's going to do less damage than the four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
That's a shame the stupid thing won't work. I might just try it once more. Oh, nearly went.
That's what I did.
It nearly went.
Yeah.
Ah, it's not working. I reckon we sell it.
Wait, turn the
I think it's the fuel. I think the fuel. I don't think there's a problem with it. I think it's got stagnant fuel in there. That's the problem. Yeah, it's a shame because I actually, even though we were not planning on driving it here, I reckon you'd have been fine. There's no one here. We're not disturbing anybody. As long as you're not tearing up the grass, you're on the gravel. Like, you're going to do no damage on the gravel. Oh, it's annoying. It's not working. That nearly fired up then, though.
I swear that was gonna fire up. Charcoal bed for this.
Yeah. The other two are good, but one of them's fallen right off. I don't know how it happened.
Oh,
this is an experiment actually. Cheeseburger wraps. Let's see. I'm starving. It's good eating. Oh, good. Really good. I don't know how that one collapsed, but the other two are pretty intact. But anyway, we're gonna go and enjoy. How's your intact one? Is it like a wrap? Do you not want any cereal? No?
I need tissue.
So I suppose breakfast on the last morning signifies the end of the trip pretty much. So yeah, this one's been a bit different. This one, we don't often do this. It's nice just to chill out and not do a great deal. Not try and fish, not try and do anything. It's good. We don't do it very often. We actually don't do it enough, I don't reckon. I've enjoyed it, have you? And I think what's made it all the more better was the fact that we've had the place to ourselves, which didn't expect that. So it's been good. So yeah, Yadboro Flats, it is a nice spot. It does get busy.
Yeah, when we came, it was like pretty much full.
Well, the last time, yeah.
But yeah, now it's full.
There's some good stuff in the area as well. There's Pigeon House Mountain, which is why the last time we came was to climb up that. We didn't make a video out of it, but that was a good trip. And then there's the castle as well, which I think you access from that way, because we spoke to some guys yesterday who were heading up there. And that's a hike up to a mountain, and I think there's an overnight sort of camp on the way up. I think we need to do more of these chill trips. The butler spent a lot of time up there, which is alright. Just relaxing. In fact, we didn't get up till gone 9 o'clock, so anybody that knows me know that's very late for me, so even just doing that is just really good. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. I don't know what it will be yet, but we'll do something, won't we? Anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
See you, buddy!
See you guys.